Motorola is soon expected to launch Moto E7, a lower to mid-range segment phone that's expected to come with Android 10, a slightly larger display, a somewhat improved processor, cameras, and a lower price tag. Overall, a solid phone from Motorola. This device appeared on both the Google Play Console's device catalog and the Android Enterprise recommended device list, giving us a look at the device through a small render and reveals some of the specifications. So now let's take a look at the design. It's pretty standard with a water drop notch, slim bezels, plastic back, and a plastic frame. As for the display, according to a report by XDA developers, Moto E7 is tipped to feature a 6.2-inch LCD display with a resolution of 720x1520 pixels. Regarding the processor, the predecessor Moto E6s features MediaTek Helio P22 SoC, whereas the upcoming Moto E7 is set to feature the Snapdragon 632 SoC. There is not a huge gap between these processors. The P22 excels at few things, and the same goes for Snapdragon 632. But if we have to nitpick, then Snapdragon 632 is better. Anyways, these were launched a month apart in 2018, so these are fairly old chipsets. Moving on to the RAM and storage, here too there is an upgrade of 4 plus 64 GB, but it may not be available in all regions. But there is a regular 2 plus 32 GB variant that will be available in all regions. The Moto E7 will also reportedly pack a 3550 mAh battery, which is a 550 mAh upgrade compared to Moto E6s. As for the cameras, there's a 13 megapixel main rear camera with f2.0 aperture, and a 2 megapixel secondary rear camera with f2.2 aperture. The water drop style notch will allegedly house a 5 megapixel camera with f2.2 aperture. There is no information on pricing yet, nor is there any information on its release date, but it will be available in North America first. There's also Moto One Vision Plus that's listed on Google's Android Enterprise directory. The listing shows that the phone will have a 6.3-inch display with no details on resolution, but we expect it to be Full HD+, same as the original. The Motorola One Vision Plus is expected to come with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. The listing also states that the Motorola One Vision Plus will have NFC, a fingerprint scanner, and will run Android 9 out of the box. The Android 9 part is a bit confusing as the vanilla model got Android 10 in January. So to be honest, I think it's Android 10 that we will be seeing in this model. But anyways, that's the end of the video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.